quick update on the fire situation. I haven't seen anything about it on the news. But now the wind, now the wind is increased again. It's probably 35 miles an hour, 30. Not again, Derek. Not again. Alright, a lot more smoke everywhere. Still haven't heard anything about it on the news. Crazy looking smoke. I don't know. Almost looks chemical. I was actually a medic on a wildfire crew. So, if I'm telling you that the smoke looks odd, you could believe me. Spraying right over the top of us right now. Dang it. I don't want to breathe smoke. Oh, now I'm hearing sirens in the distance. Look at the color of that smoke. It's yellow almost. Weird. And there's spray lines right through the smoke. I can't see my screen right now, so I don't know if I'm getting good footage or not. Look, blue smoke, yellow smoke. Wonder what's burning. Smoke everywhere. Blue smoke over here with chems. Oh, there's a heart in smoke. That's ridiculous. Hey Derek, where is it? Yeah. Oh no, is it? Bear Mountain Road, folks. That's a that's a very heavy. Is there ashes falling?
Yeah.
That's a very heavily populated area. Look at the color of that smoke, dude.
Fuck yeah.
Dude, it almost looks like chemical smoke.
Can I use your lighter?
Yeah. It almost looks like a chemical smoke, huh?
Yeah, it does.
There is ashes falling.
Yeah.
Look. Look, folks. Ashes falling right now. What? Wow.
Because,
not again.
Look, it's because the fucking wind
Yeah.
is pushing to the
Dude,
south.
the last time this happened for the car fire last year, we kept the kids inside for 56 freaking days straight.
We're right at the end of the season.
Look, dude. Damn it. Not again.
It's snowing.
It's not snow. It's dude, it's fucking devil snow. Look, there's some more.
Yeah.
Hope that's not somebody's house. Look, there's more. Still can't smell it.
I was gonna say.
Look at the color of that smoke. Dude, that sucks.
Look at that thick.
Look at all the ashes raining down.
It's clear over here.
Dude.
Look at that hella thick spot.
The hair on the back of my neck is standing up because of that bullshit last year. I'm a little traumatized. And I was a firefighter. Yeah.
Look at that piece.
My lighter's on the porch. Oh, big piece of ashes. Man.
What was crazy was last year you could pick up pieces of book and fucking still read them.
Yeah, I know. Last year standing out here when I was out here with the hose, it was, you could see that, you could tell that it was pieces of house.
Yeah.
Or pieces of forest. You could hear all the propane tanks going off. It looks like they might be getting it under control, or it's just moving so fast that it can't plume. color, dude. It's red.
I'm waiting for it.
Look, it's red smoke. I hope it don't freaking blow up and take out Millville and all that shit.
That would suck.
Yeah. Look, the smoke's blue here. But over there, it's like yellow red. Crazy. No, dude, I was a forest firefighter.
Well, no, I mean that's forest. And
I'm telling you, that's a weird color.
That's a really weird color.
It should be, if it's houses, it should be black or dark gray.
Not fucking red.
Forest can be mostly white or black.
Right?
I don't know what makes red smoke. All right, thanks.